Hi everybody. So I am in KAILUA, Hawaii. Is that how you say it?
KAILUA, yeah.
KAILUA. Yeah, this is my lovely cousin. And I haven't been vlogging a lot because I keep forgetting, and I just kind of wanted to enjoy the experience. But I feel like I should, vlog the rest of this trip because I can remember it. So if you want to see, I did film other stuff though, so if you just want to see the rest of the filming, like all the little pretty little scenery, you can just skip to the end and I'll just put it at the end. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go to some sort of temple, and as you can see, I'm like already super tan right now. I got I don't think I got burned, I just got like super tan. Yeah, so we're gonna go to a temple and then we're gonna go hiking. And yeah, I only have 3 days left, so it's gonna be fun, hopefully. All right, see you guys later. To the Byodo, I have no idea what I'm gonna pronounce this wrong, but just fun fact, if you watch Lost, this is where I forgot the name of the couple, but the Korean couple in Lost, this is where I think they get married, so that's really fun. I'm so excited. I love Lost, although forgetting their names you wouldn't think that, but it's true. So as you may notice, the temple is getting work done on it, so it's getting a little bit construction, so that's kind of a shame. But it's actually really nice, and I found out it is a Japanese temple. So even though in Lost, I believe they're in Korean, they are the Japanese temple. Just fun fact. We are going to Friendship Gardens. We were gonna go to a different trail, but we couldn't find it, and we had no idea we don't even know if we're parking where we're supposed to park. We're like in some residential neighborhood, so hopefully we find this trail that we're gonna go on. We found the trail. It's like super hidden in the middle of this random residential neighborhood. Beautiful up here, but I think that we went the wrong way, or I don't know where we are. We're like climbing all of the mountains, but we need to actually get down because my cousin has to go to work right now, so we're just gonna go back the way we came. But it's so beautiful. There's like nobody here. Literally, we have not encountered a single person, and there are so many butterflies, and the view is beautiful. Good hiking day. Oh, what do I have? I have like something on here. I think I had a bug. Oh, there's like a bug on me. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we are going to eat some nachos. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go to the beach. She's not coming.
I gotta work.
Yeah, she has to work. She's a true adult, I'm unemployed actually right now. Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the beach. Okay, gosh, what was that on me? I feel like a huge bump now. Oh my gosh, that scares me. These are our nachos. Beautiful, beautiful nachos. What do you think? I'm so excited. I am at the beach. I'm so excited that the sun is out. I've been going to the beach like every day since I got here, and I've been here for a week, and it's hardly ever sunny when I go to the beach. So I'm like so excited that it's sunny. I'm gonna get my bathing suit on right now and just hang out. And this is like what vacation is all about, right? I just love the sun. I'm just so happy, and it's so beautiful. I have to show you guys this view right now.
Go to the A minor. That's E minor. No, you don't need to change. Just stay on the C.
Okay, here we go. Let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You gotta sing, Faithy.
Someday I wish upon a star, wake up where the clouds are far behind. Me, where trouble melts like lemon drops, high above the chimney tops. That's where you find. Back to the first.